Yo, it can basically take up the whole screen. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Stiff who? We don't know her. Hey everyone, it's Tyra. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be blow drying my hair with the best blow dryer that I've ever used in my whole existence. Like, this is the best blow dryer ever, and everyone should have one. You've probably seen this all over YouTube already. I'm pretty late, but it's good. If you've been skeptical like me to get this, just get it. Like, I don't know why I waited so long. Like, this thing really changed my life. I should probably tell you the name of this blow dryer if you guys don't already know. It is the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. This is what the box looks like. And this is what the lovely blow dryer looks like. For like $35, I think it retails for $40. But Ulta always has that 20% off, so that's what I did. I saved my coin and I got me this blow dryer. Revlon really did something with this. Like, shout out to you, Revlon, if you're watching this. You know, you can hit a girl up or whatever. You know, we could make something shake. But in all seriousness, this blow dryer is bomb. Probably should have said this in the beginning, but if you haven't, hit the like button, give this video a like, because I know you're going to love this video. So just hit that like. While you're down there, hit the subscribe button as well if you're not subscribed already, and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I post a wonderful video. So now getting into the hair. My hair is already washed, detangled. Majority of the sections are prepped already. I already sprayed and applied the stuff that I use, but I didn't do it to this section, so that's what we're about to do right now. So clipping these back, I'm gonna unravel this twist. Once we have the twist unraveled, I'm gonna take some Aphogee green tea Restructurizer spray. This spray is really good. It balances the pH. This spray also acts as a heat protectant, so your hair is going to be protected while you're blow drying it. And I'm just gonna work it through. Once that's done, I'm taking my 3-in-1 leave-in by the Main Choice, not using a lot, and I'm just gonna apply that to the section as well. And now to finish it all off, I'm taking my Tresemme Heat Tamer spray. This is an OG product. The other two products are basically protecting my hair. This is the third product that's protecting my hair. Do I need it? No. Does it smell good? Yes. So why not have the extra protection? Like, this stuff just smells so bomb, and it stays in your hair like 3 days after being blow dried. So we like that. Okay, now once all that's applied, I'm not gonna blow dry this whole section, so I'm just gonna split it in half. I don't blow dry my hair on a really wet hair because, one, that takes too long, and two, that's just unnecessary heat because it takes long, so you're using more heat to dry your hair. So what I like to do is I wash my hair in the shower. Sometimes I don't detangle in the shower, so I'll get out the shower, detangle my hair, twist it up. Since that's a whole workout, I like to take, you know, a 2-hour break. So in that 2 hours, my hair is, you know, drying. So when it's time to blow dry my hair, it's not really wet. Now I'm just going to blow dry my hair on the low setting. out, I'm gonna finish the other side because I got some other videos to film, so we need to get this done. Getting hot. Shoot, it's too hot. I'm taking a break. Break's over. So there you have it, all blow dried. I really should get a different color robe so you can really see, but and it's all blow dried. It really didn't take me long to blow dry all my hair. Did take a break as you saw, but it was really simple, really simple. Before getting this blow dryer, I would use, you know, a little traditional blow dryer that I got from, where did I get it from? Got it from Marshall. I would just use the tension method. So I would like grab a section, stretch my hair out, blow dry it, and then I would go through with a paddle brush. But that just took a lot of time and it didn't come out this good. So I don't know that method no more. For that method, I used to use a blow dryer that I got from Target. It was gold. It had like 3 different comb attachments, 2 different comb attachments, a fine tooth and a wide tooth comb. And it also had a brush attachment, but I always used the wide tooth comb. I mean, it got the job done, but I really didn't like it. So here we are now with this blow dryer. Honestly, I'm never going back to a regular blow dryer unless I just use my hair. And I only do that like once a year. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below your favorite blow dryer, or if you have any questions, comment those down below as well. That's it for this video. Until next time, bye.